How to install and activate Webyx Pro version. In the Plugins WordPress admin menu, go on Add New Plugin. Click Upload Plugin. Drag or select webyxpro.zip file. Install now. Activate Webyx Pro. Now activate the license. Insert license key and click Activate. Well done, you have installed and activated Webyx Pro. Now create a new Pro page and copy the content from an existing created free page. From the editor, click on Pages menu. Click the plus icon. Draft a new page and give it a title as Webyx Pro 2024. From the Page tab template, click on Swap Template and select Webyx FSE. Save the work. Go to the Pages menu. Select Webyx 2024 page. Now from Webyx 2024 page, copy the content inside Webyx block. Paste it into the new Webyx Pro 2024 page. Change status page from draft to publish. Save changes. Finally, convert Webyx block to Pro version. From Webyx block toolbar, click on Options. Now go to Convert to Webyx Pro option and click on it. Perfect. The Webyx block has been transformed into the Webyx Pro block. Save changes. Now with Webyx Pro version, you can take your website to the next level. Thanks for watching.